Hi friends, welcome to Civil Engineering World. So in this video I am going to tell you about different grades of concrete and the water cement ratio. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel Civil Engineering World for the future videos and lectures. Okay, also please check our other videos for more details. So let's talk about the different grades of concrete and their water cement ratio. Water cement ratio. So guys, there are various grades of concrete and we use different water cement ratio for making different mixes. So first we have to check that and know about different grades of concrete. So there are various grades of concrete, including grades of concrete. So there are various grades of concrete that includes M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25. Okay, so there are various grades of concrete that we have classified it into. M5 means that this grade of concrete has compressive strength of 5 Newton per millimeter square. If I just talk about M20 or M25, then it means that M20 grade has compressive strength of 20 Newton per millimeter square. Similarly, if I just talk about M25 grade concrete, then it has compressive strength of 25 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, so the question is, how much water is required for M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20 and M25 grade concrete? So if I just make a table and tell you about different mix ratios of different grades and amount of water required, then we can understand very easily. Okay, so first we have to check out that what is exactly the mix ratio of the different grades of concrete. So here I am going to write grade of concrete, and here I'm gonna write mix ratio, and here I am writing water per kg of bag. Okay, so as you know that 1 kg of cement bag is equal to 50 kg. One bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. Okay, so we are going to calculate the amount of water in one cement bag. You can write one bag of cement, okay, which has 50 kg of cement. So if I just write the grades of concrete, further we have to write various grades of concrete. First we have to write M5 grade, then it comes M7.5, then it comes M10, then it comes M15, and then it comes M20. Okay guys, so we have to write the mix ratio for these various grades of concrete. Okay, so first in M5 grade we have to write the mix ratio, including cement, ratio of cement, sand and coarse aggregates, right? So for M5 grade concrete, the mix ratio for cement, sand and aggregate is 1:5:10. Okay, and the amount of water for M5 grade concrete is taken as 60 liters, right? Okay, So guys, for M7.5 grade concrete, its mix ratio is 1:4:8, and the amount of water required is 45 liters, right? Okay. And if we just talk about M10 concrete, then the mix ratio of this grade is 1:3:6, and the amount of water required is 34 liters. Okay. Similarly, if we just talk about M15 grade concrete, then its mix ratio is 1:2:4, right? And if I just talk about its amount of water, then it requires 32 liters of water. Also, if we just talk about M25 grade of concrete, its mix ratio is 1:1.5:3, and the amount of water required is 30 liters. So guys, the amount of water for the different grades of concrete vary according to their mix ratios. If we have a mix ratio in which we increase the amount of cement and decrease the amount of aggregates, then we have to put a very small quantity of water. That is the difference. Another thing is that it totally depends on water cement ratio, that what water cement ratio that we are using. Normally we use water cement ratio that is 0.40 to 0.45. This is the minimum amount of water cement ratio that is required for complete hydration, right? So guys, this is the table that you can use to add amount of water for mixing cement, sand and coarse aggregates. So I'm going to revise it again. These are the different grades of concrete: M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25. So for different grades of concrete, we have required different amount of water. It totally depends on the mix ratios. When the mix ratio changes, then the amount of water also changes. So for M5 grade of concrete, we require 60 liters. For 7.5 grade of concrete, we require 45 liters of water. For M10 concrete, we require 34 liters of water. For M15 concrete grade, we require 32 liters, and at last for M20 grade concrete, we require 30 liters. So guys, this was a very short video. I hope that you have learned something from this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel for the future videos and lectures. Thanks for watching.